Okay, and so I go forward and hold. So maybe back. So 1. Now 2. Now I go down, but when I go down, you just go open, but your weight transfer, it's with your left leg, like that. And you need to stay straight, no here, no here. Okay, so now, just, it's this leg, this side, for you slide. Because he go up and you are, oh. So, 1, 2, 3. It depends, of course, with the counts, but just I need you understand. Okay, for the follower, you need to keep my connection, don't move, and me
And
just
don't transfer.
yes. And I help me with this leg, okay? And I go slide. It's very important. Now you don't have transfer, but you touch the floor, okay? You touch the floor and go. So after that, you have other step, okay, and 1 front. You slide, front, the same, and please, it's your left leg, this side for when you go up, and you keep your feet in the floor. And after that, it's possible for you, okay, quit. The intention go down, and with my toes, impulse. And after that, I go to open and close. Just cut this. Okay, record again. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I quit the pulse, okay? And 1, 2, 3. Now, because I quit the pulse like a yo-yo, okay, when I stop my movement, the yo-yo continue, okay? And so, 1, 2, 3. It's very important, you leader, you start with the bounce and you go to -1. 1 -1, 2 -1,